Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have money while others struggle every single month? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's habits. In this video, I'll show you 5 habits that are silently keeping you broke and how you can fix them starting today. Habit number 1, spending more than you earn. This is the most obvious one, but also the most common. If you spend more money than you make, you will always stay broke. No matter how much you earn, many people increase their income, but they also increase their lifestyle. New phone, better car, more subscriptions, and in the end, still no money left. If you want to build wealth, you need to spend less than you earn, consistently. Habit number 2, NOT, tracking your money. If you don't know where your money is going, you will never control it. Most people have no idea how much they spend, what they spend on, or where they waste money. Small expenses add up fast. Coffee here, subscription there, random purchases online, and suddenly your money is gone. Tracking your expenses is the first step to taking control of your financial life. Habit number 3, not investing. Saving money is good, but saving alone is not enough. If your money just sits in your bank account, it's losing value every year because of inflation. Wealthy people don't just save money, they invest it, whether it's stocks, index funds, or even a side business. Your money should be working for you, not the other way around. Habit number 4, waiting for the right time. I'll start next month. I'll do it when I earn more. I'll begin when things are perfect. That time never comes. Waiting is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. There will never be a perfect moment. The people who succeed are not the ones who wait. They're the ones who start. Start small. Start imperfect. But start now. Habit number 5, not improving your skills. Your income is directly connected to your skills. If you don't grow, your income won't either. The more valuable your skills are, the more money you can earn. Learn new tools, new knowledge, new ways to make money. Investing in yourself is the highest return investment you can ever make. If you want to change your financial future, you don't need luck, you need better habits. Start fixing these today, and your life will slowly start to change.